Our topic for today is about the actual wiring diagram of 4 bulbs. Bulbs A and B are connected in parallel and controlled by S1 AB. And bulbs C and D are also connected in parallel and controlled by S1 CD with duplex convenience outlet. And without further ado, let's get started. First, the neutral, the letter N from circuit breaker, going to the line 1 load of bulb letter A, line 1 load of bulb letter B, line 1 load of bulb letter C, and line 1 load of bulb letter D. Next, line 2 load of bulb letter A and line 2 load of bulb letter B are connected going to the input terminal of S1AB. Okay, let's continue. Line 2 load of bulb letter C and line 2 load of bulb letter D are connected going to the input terminal of S1CD. Next, the output terminal of S1AB and the output terminal of S1CD are connected going to the line 2 or the letter L from circuit breaker. And for the last part, for the convenience outlet, line 1 source connected to the line 1 of convenience outlet, and line 2 source connected to the line 2 of convenience outlet. And of course, we put a jumper wire for the complete functionality of a duplex convenience outlet. And this is the complete actual wiring diagram of 4 bulbs. Bulbs A and B are connected in parallel and controlled by S1AB. And bulbs C and D are connected in parallel and controlled by S1CD with duplex convenience outlet.